I was gonna say, hey everybody, it's really cold outside. We can't ride bikes, so we're gonna go hiking. So let's go check out some of the waterfalls that, in the land of waterfalls, that DuPont offers. Is it cold out here?
It's 27 degrees. I can't feel my face.
It's kind of miserable. But we are not riding bikes in this mess. Our faces are kind of numb right now.
Our faces are frozen.
It's really cold out here, but it's covered. It's a winter wonderland. It's so pretty.
We've been coming here for 12 years and never figured out how to get to the bottom of High Falls.
Well, usually when we come out here, we're so busy riding our bikes, we just blast around the place and don't bother trying to find it. But definitely during the summer, I think we'll see if we can get out. We'll come out here as well.
Yeah.
So, but
we found it.
We found it. It's so pretty.
Beautiful. Beautiful day here at DuPont.
Waterfall land.
Had a good hike. We don't hike very often.
Only in the winter.
Actually, never.
Never.
So, but we did see some things we haven't seen before, so that was cool.
Yeah, because we're going much slower.
Now we're heading to Taco Fiesta.
Ooh, you guys, if you have not been to Taco Fiesta in Hendersonville, you need to go.
Ooh, so good.
And affordable.
Yeah, and affordable.
Our faces are numb, so
yeah,
forming words is difficult.
That's for sure. Remember, like and subscribe.
Thanks for joining us. Y'all have a great day.